This is Topper Chef back again. Today we're going to make the grilled pork chops, which is going to go with the apple chutney adobo sauce or the chimichurri sauce. Okay, so today now we got our pan really hot, and this is a grill pan where I like to use this pan to get grill markings. So we've got this 6 pieces of pork chops with bone in, and what we're gonna do is now grill it properly. I just put some salt on it. That's it. There you go. Okay, so now we put those pork chops. Now there's 2 minutes on each side, so we've got a good grill mark. There you go. Pork chops have to be cooked well on both sides. So give it enough time for it to grill and cook all the way through. Pork chops are not medium rare or anything like that. So have to be well done, really well. Okay, so now we have the pork chops. They are dry and brown. There's no blood coming in or nothing like that. This is how they should be. Well cooked, brown. As you saw, I put some weight on it for it to get the nice grill mark. And this is almost done. 3 minutes on each side with a lot of weight and will be done. So it should not be never should be any pink or anything like that. It should be well cooked all the way through. But if you don't want to cook it, overcook it also, then it becomes very dry and it's not very good to eat. Now it's all done. I'm going to take this off now. Okay, so now our pork chops, all 6 of them, you see how they're grilled well with all the grill marks and everything. And I put the press also on it for it to grill properly. So it's all grilled all the way through. There you go. So we got it all ready, and this is how it's gonna cook with our pork chops. Hi, welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Today we cooked the pork chops, and now we're gonna do the taste test. This is the pork chops with the apple adobo sauce, and the pork chops are really well cooked and tender. Oh my god, it's so good. It's got that flavor of the apple with the adobo, really nice blending with the pork, with the chops. And also, if you like this recipe now, give us a big thumbs up. And of course, like us on Facebook, join us on Pinterest, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy cooking!